Good morning preschool and welcome to your phonics sound of the week session. So usually up until now we've been doing one sound a week in preschool and then focusing on that with the children. From this term we're going to be doing 2 sounds a week. Now it may mean that we're recapping some of the old sounds that we've already done, but we feel that it will really benefit the children and help and support them with their transition into reception. And then as they know and recall the sounds, it will also help them with blending and being able to start to read. So yeah, this week we are going to be doing and j. Okay, so we're going to start with So this means my turn, remember, and this means your turn. Let's go. Robot. 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 Very good. Now, I've got some cards to show you that are pictures of objects or words that begin with the letter rabbit. Robot. Rocket. Rainbow. Very good. So let's put them to one side. Now we are going to learn how to write our sound, okay? So we need to go down his back, then curl over his arm. Right, show me your pencil grips. And we're going to go down his back and curl over his arm. Ready? Right. Down his back and curl over his arm. Very good. Now, I want to see if you've got a piece of paper like this, or you might have a pad, or you might have a whiteboard and a pen or a pencil, and we're going to try and write our sound, okay? So, we are going to go, I've got my piece of paper here, and I've got my sound, okay? So we're going to go down his back and curl over his arm. Down his back and curl over his arm. Down his back and curl over his arm. Now, remember, it's really important that before you write each sound that you remember to air write it, okay? So we're going to start off, we're going to go down his back and curl over his arm. Then write down his back and curl over his arm. Air write down his back and curl over his arm. On the paper, down his back and curl over the arm. And then your paper should look like this with all your sound on them. Now we're going to do our speedy sounds now, and I know that you love doing this. So I've got our sound. Remember, you need to point when you see it. Fantastic, well done preschool. I imagine that you've got really quick at doing that now. And look how many sounds you've learned. Oh, it's amazing. So we've done now. So next up we need to do j, okay? So our next sound for the week is j. 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 J, J, J. J, Jack in the box. J, Jack in the box. J, 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 Jack in the box. Fantastic, well done. Now, you might think that J looks a little bit like an I, but it's not. It's a little bit different, so we need to write it we go down his body, curl and dot. Okay, should we do that again? Down his body, curl and dot. Okay, do you think we can try in the air? Ready, get your pen or your pencils. We're going to go down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Fantastic, well done. Now I think we might even be able to write it on our paper now. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Are you ready? So we are going to go down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Now remember what I said about air writing, okay? So we're going to go down his body, curl and dot. Then on your paper, okay? And you're going to go down his body, curl and dot. Air right, down his body, curl and dot. Fantastic, amazing. Right, I have got our speedy sounds again. Now this time I'm going to add in j. Remember, when you see and you see j, I need you to. Ready, go. Fantastic, well done preschool. Now I'm going to do it once more and I want to see if you can do it even faster this time, okay? And remember, what do we need to do when we see r and j? Fantastic, that's amazing. Well done. Now, if your mummies and daddies have got these cards in your phonics packs at home, you might like to play this game with them because I know that you really enjoy this game, okay? So we're going to recap our sounds and how to write them, okay? And then I'm going to see if you can go away and do some work of your own, okay? So, robot. Fantastic. And remember, we go down his back, then curl over his arm. Show me your pencil grips. Down his back, then curl over his arm. Fantastic. Well done. Then we've got j, Jack in the Box. Fantastic, well done preschool. I'm really impressed with that today. And remember, it's down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. Right, I've got something really exciting to show you now. So now we're going to be doing some Fred talk. So I'm going to be showing you some words that contain the letter or the letter j, because I want to get you used to seeing them, okay? So, my first word for you is j, a, j, a, So, I'm going to lay that out in front of you. I'm going to show you my word. So, I have got j, a, j, a, j, a, j, a, jam. So that's my first word that's got a j. It's jam. Wow. Now, I think I've got another word that begins with a j. This has got both our sounds in it. J, a, j, a, j, a, j, a, j, r. Jar. Wow, that's amazing. It's another word. Oh, let's have a look. I think I've got another word. This is quite a big word that I've got. Oh, let's have a look, see if you can do this one, shall we? Oh, at. So this has got in it. At, 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 rat. Wow, that's a third word that I've made. I wonder if I can make any more. Let's have a look to see if I've got any more, shall we? Oh, wow. D. D. Red. Wow. D. Red. Just like the colour. Now, I wonder if you can think of any more words, or if you can work on them words for me at home. So if you can do this one, remember, we've done j, a, jam. See if you can do that one. Or see if you can do j, a, it's got both our new sounds in it. J, a, jar. Or see if you can do r, at, rat. Or see if you can do red. Well done, preschool. I look forward to seeing and hearing all your reading. Well done.